Hi, welcome to my channel. Vivo V27 Pro is the upcoming mobile from Vivo that is expected to be launched in India on September 22, 2022. The mobile will come with adequate specifications and decent specifications. It is rumored to be available at a starting price of 39,990. Vivo V27 Pro is said to run the Android V12 operating system and might be packed with 5,000 mAh battery that will let you enjoy playing games, listening to songs, watching movies, and more for a longer duration, without worrying about battery drainage. It is tipped that this upcoming phone from Vivo will come with 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. Hence, you will be able to store all your songs, videos, games and more on the phone, without worrying about space constraints. Apart from this, the mobile is likely to be equipped with a powerful octa-core, 3 GHz, single-core, Cortex-A78 plus 2.6 GHz, tri-core, Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A55 processor, so that you can enjoy a seamless performance while accessing multiple apps and playing intense graphics games. Speaking about camera specifications, the phone from Vivo is rumored to feature a single camera setup on the rear. There might be a 108MP plus 8MP plus 5MP, so that you can click some lifelike pictures. Features on the rear camera setup might include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. On the front, the Vivo V27 Pro is expected to come with a 32MP camera for selfies and video chats. The phone is rumored to feature a 6.6 inches, 16.76 centimeters display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels, so that you can enjoy watching movies or playing games. Vivo V27 Pro is expected to come with various connectivity options that might include Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.1, and 5G supported by device, 4G, 3G, 2G. Moreover, sensors on the smartphone might include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. So stay tuned to my channel and see you in next exciting video.